In fact, I've wrote letters to you last year. You have sent a sihle again to our farm, to my farm, and the farmers were there. You never bothered yourself, said, to meet with us. Very disappointing, because I thought when you become a Minister of Agriculture, you'll do better than Mantogo Didiza, who is having a stinking attitude, being the leader of the people again. Very disappointed. And then it worries me that if you get a person from another political party, that he will do better, he will excel. You can see, okay, this, birds of the same feathers flock together. It's a GNU anyway. It's very disappointing, sir. Because of your officials. There's a lady called Estelle Damchiza, responsible for the blended finance. You know what she said to me when you took over? She said, do you think he will make a difference? What are you going to say if he fails you? I'm not hiding that. Your officials are going to destroy you. There's Mafisa there. There is the blended finance there. To help these poor farmers, we don't want free lunch, or we don't want money to be spent, or to abuse the taxpayers' money. We're not here for that. We want to grow. We want to become commercial farmers. We're not here to keep on imaging. We end up making a joke that we keep on measuring. We don't know for what. We want to become commercial farmers to sustain our country. Food security is very important. You don't want to do that. You prefer commercial farmers, you prefer the black elite farmers that are intimidating us, that they will be killed by your officials. I'm sorry to point a finger to you, Mr. Ramasodi. Mr. Matabata, I've never seen you since you became a deputy minister. On the 24th, I always ask, where is Mr. Matabata? I last saw him when he was a premier in Limpopo. Where is he hiding? Then I don't want to get into politics. Let me come straight to the department. Your minister, Babu Mzwanele Nyonzo, is almost my age, is like John. Your minister has met with us on the 24th of April. I was at Umhlanga Rocks with him, sitting around the table with the provincial chief director, Mr. Mdaweni. We raised issues with him of the farms. No title deeds. We're having challenges. When we were given recap, we're underfunded. And he asked his chief director, what's the story? And he said, I know Mr. Mlanga and his problem. And then he asked the question, what are you doing about their problems? One thing with the provincial chief director of land reform, you know, he's a wolf in a sheep's skin. A wolf in a sheep's skin. And he knows how to keep quiet and smile a bit and undermining you to the core. This is not done by John, a white man that will always point fingers at them, they are horrible and all that. It's black on black doing this. Do we want this country to survive? Because poor people will eat you, guys. One day. The popes will dance.
Sure.
They will eat you, Mr. Matabata, in your house in Limpopo. They will come to Mam Kapa's house one day. They will come to DM's house of the president one day. They will come to Mr. Ramasodi's house one day and eat him live. You don't worry about that. It's a ticking bomb that is going to explode on your faces. 30 years in democracy. You are busy testing people's patience. You are very lucky that you are South Africans. We're taught respect and we don't do things haphazardly. Foreign nationals are doing whatever they're doing on top of us because of you. It's very painful. You are defending them. Illegal. You say the Constitution says. What about the fellow South Africans that are dying on the farms? What about South Africans that you want to evict on the farms, that they are owing rent? Yes. This union building was in fence during the Bure government. Today, look, you are protecting yourselves from your own. We will come here walking around freely when we're growing. But during the time, there was the, what you call, I'm forgetting the name. Okay, yes, curfew, those years. That if you black, you're not allowed to be found here. Then there's a ring that will, there's a bell that will ring. Then you'll run like anything. But what I'm saying to you, you don't care. You don't have conscience. Your department is protecting the black elite. When we talk, we are called lunatics. I don't know who said you are the only one who went to school. Our parents tried, at least they took us to school with the little that they had. We are undermined. We are even undermined by a sweeper, by a general worker. Yes. When you come, you can see when she's sweeping or he's sweeping that, you know what, in Zulu. Yeah. This is what we are doing to us. People are suffering on the farms. We need to run those farms profitably. We don't want the handouts. We say, our government, come on board. We are willing to sit down around the table. You don't want. What you are doing, you take us to the debt collectors. 7 o'clock at night, you are relaxing with your children. You are receiving a call from a debt collector that you are owing land affairs 800,000 rand. The farm is not profitable because you underfunded me. If you don't underfund me, you don't fund me. After that, when you underfunded me, you go and tell the whole world that he was once funded. But your friends are getting money each and every day, each and every financial year. Then those are black elite farmers that are driving Land Cruisers. Tina, we must come with the 1400s. Your connections, that is done by your officials. What about these poor people that are suffering on the farms? Now, when a person is going to be interviewed, John, for the farm, they said he must have a 4 million rand in his account. Where does a black man go to get a 40? My God, where is he going to get 4 million rand in his account? That came with this man. Mr. Quinty's policy. We drafted that policy as farmers. We drafted that policy. It was clean during his time. They came and changed it to suit them. We know he protects the import and the export permits, but he will never listen to us. Because he's in people's hearts, certain farmers' hearts. That is why he's here as a Director General. We know what is happening here. Where is Clinton Hinman, the acting DG of Land Reform? Mr. Nyonso is dodging and diving. I've never seen a minister like this in my life. At least I forgave her because we will fight with her and all that, but she'll be in front of my face. A man with one seat in Parliament is dodging the rest of the farmers, of black farmers. What does it say to him? I'm asking you, and I'm pleading with you. Can you have conscience? Can you have pity on these poor farmers? We are not happy. You are ill-treating us. Officials are telling us things. We're not scared of carrying guns, sir. If they come to my farm, I said, I know, I've been intimidated that my life is at risk with one of the ladies behind me. That we are pushing farmers with Israel Abantu to fight them. I'm not scared of the gun. I'm not going to die and show the finger that I'm buried here. I will die. As long as if I'm going to die for a good cause, I'm willing to die. We are here to fight for our people. We are not fighting with our fellow white commercial farmers. No, they are frustrated too. My neighbor is former MD of the DPS, Gary Ray. My neighbor right next door of mine. The behind neighbor is Dr. Treasure, the state vet. I mean the private vet. He is frustrated. I'm protecting the farm against vandalism. I'm a caretaker. Against any wrongdoing, against any evasion for the last 12 years. But what are you doing? You call us lunatics. Enough is enough. Yes. Enough is genoeg.
Yes. Amen.
We are not going to stand this. We don't care any political party is in power now. Don't test patience of your people that voted for you and trusted you in the GNU. That GNU was trusted by people. Let this GNU be like this as it's sitting in the cabinet, the Hootla right now. It was trusted by the people of South Africa. That's why it's like that. That is why for the next 20, 30 years, there will be no one party running this government. We need you to work as a collective. Stop undermining us. Your officials, I'm cutting them now. Your officials, because they're the biggest theft on us, on you, because they mislead you. Stop being briefed by the useless government officials. Come to us. We are not going to fight with them. We know what is agriculture. We know what is farming. We will teach them what is farming. Land reform doesn't have even qualified agricultural economists, crop production, what you call technicians.